good thing is, it's here in Brussels, so it's kind of close by for everyone. It's not very time intensive in terms of traveling, so we don't need to go on the other side of the world to hear something about it. And B, you get a quite diverse range of associations, which have sometimes very similar problems, but also sometimes very opposite problems. And it's kind of good to know who is having which challenge and how to come up with solutions. So for me personally, my main takeaway was currently the membership, saying we need to give back more to our members, and I think that's quite a statement. You have to come, because there's no better network right now in the heart of Europe.